Hey RVers and future RVers, I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We've got a great travel trailer coming your way today. All new for 2025, Grand Design has announced the Transcend Explorer. We've had the Explorer before, but this one gets right in the middle and packed with all those great features without a high price tag. Behind me is the 26 BHX. Let's go dive into it. All right, some of the exterior features on this new 2025 Grand Design Transcend Explorer 26 BHX gives us all those great features that we love to have in a travel trailer. Starting up front, we have an awesome amount of space for storage that goes all the way through, and a great magnetic catch to be able to keep hands free for those more important gear that you're going to stow. I love this new step. It's so much easier. We've seen plenty of different versions before this, but the adjustment is here. And I'm telling you, if you don't know what I mean, come out to a Beckley's RVs. Well, I'll show you how easy it is and how far superior it is than all the previous generations of this style step. Big grab bar to be able to get inside safely and confidently, especially if maybe if your hand's full with a kid around his neck and you can grab one and yank them in. Patio time, big awning space that we're gonna have. We're gonna have TV hookup, as well as some tunes to be able to have an awesome afternoon at the campground. We love cooking, love eating when we go camping, and Grand Design has put that in there along with outside storage here that's easy to get to your cooking and your refrigerator. And last but not least, on the backside, we have our spare tire, but what I really would love to point out is there's a lot of prep here that they've done the groundwork for you, i.e. the backup camera. So if you need maybe a little bit extra visibility, talk to us, we'll get a camera installed and you'll have that complete confidence to back into that campsite you've never been before. All right, we're inside the 2025 Grand Design Transcend Explorer, all new series for this year. This is the 26 BHX. Let's get into some of the great features and this clean, modern look. When you walk in the door, you have a great kitchen setup. We have I guess you would say like kind of on an L shape, got tons of counter space, tons of cabinetry all over the top side and the bottom side. And they've even included a nice pull out trash can drawer there to keep that stowed out of the way. Big, deep stainless steel sink with a pull-out nozzle there for you. And again, electric outlets to maximize all that counter space for all your wonderful little countertop appliances. Off to your left here, of course, you got your wonderful microwave to do some quick zap, some reheats, cooking via the 3-burner stove top. And I love the fact that it's such a deep slide. We even still maintain some back counter space there. Great for some utensils and cooking items. Below that, your deep drawers for a lot of your big pots and pans to stow. And of course, an awesome 12-volt refrigerator with a cute, awesome freezer drawer up underneath. And when I say 12 volt, it's important because this is solar prep ready. So if you do a lot of camping off the grid, you can easily get a lot of this feature rich ready to go to be able to boondock anywhere and anytime. Continuing on this big deep slide, we have a nice 3-person sofa here that easily, quickly converts into a bed just in case you need it. And of course, Grand Design is very innovative, and they make sure that they maximize all the storage by even giving us some nice little drawer spots or storage spots underneath the sofa. As you move past that big slide, we get into the bathroom. And the bathroom is definitely tastefully done. We have a medicine cabinet over top the sink. We have storage below. Grand Design's wonderful big shower, big shower. I'm 6'1", I've got plenty of height, I've got plenty of wingspan space here to get a nice hot shower and grab my towel easily from the little linen closet next to me. Opposite of the bathroom here in this corner is of course going to be our bunk beds. As if you needed the sofa, man, 2 double-sized bunk beds for the kiddos, easily be able to jump up in there, have their own space. They've got lights, they've got charging ports, and even privacy curtains to make it their own. We finish up the living area with a 4-person tabletop dinette that is very comfortable, nice big window. I can look over and spy on my kiddos maybe at the sitting outside, making sure they're behaving. And of course we have storage and the TV that's strategically straight across opposite from their sofa. And if you do still beyond the bunk beds, maybe even the sofa, another sleeping option, you can convert this down and make a nice double-sized bed. Right past the booth, I thought this was awesome touch. Coming right inside the door, we have more counter space with an outlet in case you need to throw something electrical up there. We have storage, open drawers, we have open storage, and we cannot forget about our 4-legged furry friends. Nice 2 bowls there for water and a food bowl. Coming up front, we have our nice private queen bed mattress up here in the front with plenty of shirt closet and storage off the left and right. Even a little nook in the back with charging ports that we can make sure that our portable devices are charged up and ready to go. Some open storage at the top for maybe some book bags or some loose items that you want to stow. And if all that's not enough, up underneath the bed, we have plenty of deep space here that we can throw perhaps some big linens, some big blankets to make sure that we're prepared for any season. So there you go, quick rundown. Again, all new for 2025. It's a Transcend Explorer line. This is the 26BHX. All right, so again, the 26BHX is brand new to the market. So let's go over some of those figures and stats and specifications. That's really important because all this is wonderful, but if you can't tow it, you can't get it to campground, doesn't make sense, right? So total length is just a little bit under 31 foot. Most important weight, I just gave it away. The most important stat that we like to make sure that we communicate is the towing weight, the dry weight. It's about 6,500 pounds. You've got a little over 1,000 pounds that you can put into it. So you do need to make sure that you have a comparable size vehicle, i.e. probably a truck. Although some of the bigger SUVs do have a 8,000 pound towing rating. Water tanks are phenomenal on this travel trailer. We have almost 60 gallons of fresh water. We have, I think, almost 80 gallons of gray water. Gray water is all that dirty water that comes out of the sink, kitchen sink, bathroom sink, and of course the shower, which really will eat up that capacity fast if you have anything less than what this one has. And the black tank, if I'm not mistaken, is about 40 gallons. So again, ton of waste. It's not only a great amount of fresh water, but a great amount of spare dirty water capacity, so that way you can get in those long weekends that may not have a full hookup. And last but not least, I think it's about 11 foot height in, so if you're looking to store it somewhere, you know you're probably not going to get it in the average garage door, so it will have to be probably for the most part outside. Last but not least, I think the only thing that we really got to touch, and we glazed over real quick at the refrigerator, is the solar prep package. What does that mean? Grand Design's already laid the groundwork for a solar panel on the roof that you can simply plug in and utilize that without having to run and spend a lot of extra money wiring that. It has a disconnect switch that gives you the ability to turn it on and off at your leisure, especially talking about storage, maybe storing it at a storage area that you need to turn it off altogether. And last but not least, and more important, is the inverter. We can have all this wonderful 12 volt coming in from the sun, but how do we get that to power perhaps like a coffee maker or something? Again, the inverter. You want to talk to your dealer about installing one of those. So what do you think? All these awesome features, some of these awesome capabilities that you can get out of this travel trailer, and it's going to be on a great budget buy. Again, all new for 2025, the Grand Design Transcend Explorer 26BHX. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below. Love to hear your first impressions, or more importantly, some questions that we've glazed over, some features that you'd like to learn a little bit more. And show us some love, everybody. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.